Two students from Embry-Riddle reached out to me, each separately, and explained the work that they're doing in their academic endeavors. And they needed to reach people, and the people being the community that we have here was a perfect fit for what they were doing. We let them come to the conference and offered them space.
It was incredible because I didn't expect to see everyone like United, Delta, Southwest, Alaska, everyone from the aviation industry actually come, and I was able to find the right people.
AEC and AMC represent all of the industry leading professionals, both as manufacturers, operators, and third-party supporters of the supply chain for aviation maintenance environments. These are the men and women in decision-making positions to purchase new technology, to integrate new technology, and to understand why the tech will impact workers moving forward.
Hello, my name is Hang-Ai Lee. I go to Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. I'm a PhD in aviation candidate. I'm currently working on my dissertation, which is looking at the effects of trust and fear in aviation maintenance safety culture framework.
My name is Jordan Baus, and I'm here at the 2025 AEEC and AMC to present my research and solicit surveys as a PhD student at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University.
I didn't even know that Jordan was coming. I found him here. So we were exchanging ideas for research, talking about our statistical method, which is actually the same. So we're going to keep in touch and share our research.
Yeah, my survey looks at understanding why people choose to adopt technology, specifically uncrewed aerial systems in aviation maintenance environments.
So I'm trying to do a survey questionnaire on the maintenance technicians in the United States and find out what factors influence those safety cultures.
The response has been great, both the response for my own work as a PhD student, but also understanding more in depth what the different folks within the industry think about technology, and they think about the adoption of technology. So those interactions will not just impact my immediate research, but also my future research, helping me guide my questions and thinking and my exploration as it relates to our industry as maintenance professionals.
I found out new facts about my research that I would have not known. For example, part of my survey is about OSHA, like the occupational safety part, but I just heard today that the OSHA does not apply when the maintenance technicians are inside the airplane. So that was something very new that I did not think about. I wouldn't have known unless I've talked to one of the managers here.
Coming to this sort of conference kind of allows you to be freeform. Ask them, where they're from, find ways in which to connect with them, learn about their industry, learn about their role, and then obviously talk about your own interests and find commonality.
I'm really glad that I came because I have a lot more understanding of my research, a lot more understanding on how actual maintenance technicians work and what are the real world problems going on at the moment.
We're looking forward to seeing the survey results and those topics tying into what we do, and I'm truly looking forward to seeing them in the future.